Yep, rolling around. Old Tucker. What's up, guys? Out here fishing, hoping we gonna reel in some crappie. Me and the kid, the Judson boy. Tell him what's up.
What's up?
You got that right. Let's put this boat in the water and see if we can't catch some fish. How's that sound?
Yes, sir.
You got that right. Makes it fun whenever the fish move up. We know where they are.
There is no fish passing us, though.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like how deep until it's like 3 feet?
Yep,
It
right.
literally says 3 feet.
There you go, buddy. As you. Thing goes under, reel him in. You got this.
You have one too?
Mm-hmm. But we might have to get a little closer. Let's see. My cork is small. I can't see it. See, yours good.
Watch out.
There you go. Go for it. There you go. Good job. Let's reel this in and see if we can get a little closer.
Did you put the anchor down?
Yeah, the anchor's down.
Okay. You keep on getting fights. I don't.
I don't know. I'm going to swap over. Oh, I had one come up and get it. Little bass came up and get it. I watched it happen. Slap, came off in the boat. That was crazy.
Crazy, man.
That was wild. That must have been what was biting mine. Look at there.
It tried to get it, but it was like, oh.
Little bastard bass.
Dad, what about?
What's that? Hold on, I'll help you. See what you're talking about. Still got your minnow?
What if like one comes up and then like yeets his body up and then he gets it?
Yeah, that's what happened to mine.
Yeets his body off the ground and gets it.
Perfect.
Now I just wait.
Lift your line up. I want to get my cork. Lift your line up. There you go. All right. There, get him, Judson. Get him, Judson. You got him?
I got him! I got him! I got him!
Yeah.
I got him! I got him!
See what he is. Looks like a crappie from here. That's what we after. Oh yeah. Good job. Get him in the boat. Sit tight. There you go. Oh yeah.
Get in!
Looking to me or either looking to you. Whatever you want to do.
Get in!
Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
I think he took my bait.
You got your bait, but look at that.
You almost broke my line too.
Perfect. That's what we after. All right. You want another minnow? There you go. I'm gonna hold you. All right, throw up there and get another one.
Oh yeah, I hear ya. We almost caught big mama fish. Ain't that right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we finally caught her on another video. So you should go watch those before these. Right?
Mm-hmm. I moved that rod out the way for you.
Thanks. Watch out.
That's a good cast.
Might go down quick though.
Did it last time go down quick?
It went down like that. See if I can try to catch him again.
Yeah. Yeah, you can stand up.
Watch out.
Might have to go looking for them.
Well, we've already caught 2.
No, but I figured this is where they would be. Yeah, thinking. So we'll see.
Put rock in.
I'm gonna troll around a little bit till we find them.
Two big 3s just came. They're like 5s. Another 3. Another. Look at that line of 3s.
Mm-hmm.
Follow the lead. What they're like, probably. Same fish. Follow. But I bet just went away. Come on.
Was he there?
He's still here. I'm trying to get him away. Go somewhere else than here.
Look at that. We found something. Found a little bass. Can you believe it? Do you believe in miracles?
We found something.
We were tied. Judson won, Daddy won. Oh man, there's a little one right
Mom's just in time.
there. Just in time.
3.
All right. Well, did you have fun? A little bit of fishing you had?
Yeah, the goal's only 1, but we caught 3.
Well, we caught 3. That's right.
Okay, get me out. We found something.
We were tied. Judson won, Daddy won. Oh man, there's a little one.
Mom's just in time. 3.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. A little fishing session between me and the kid, Mr. Little J Hook. Did you have fun, buddy?
Yeah,
Caught one, didn't you?
caught 1.
Caught one. All right, well, stay tuned for next time. Maybe we can get a little bit more in the boat. See you guys. Thanks for watching.